let me ask you something important. What if you could build a YouTube channel that makes over $10,000 per month without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without even speaking English fluently? It sounds impossible. But people are doing this right now using artificial intelligence. And today, I'll show you exactly how. This first business is based on something millions of people want every single day: learning English. Not grammar, not school lessons, but real, natural English conversations they can listen to anytime. And AI has made this one of the easiest online businesses to start in 2026. Around the world, people are trying to improve their English for work, travel, and life. They listen while driving, walking, cooking, or resting. They don't watch the screen, they listen. That's why podcast-style English content performs extremely well on YouTube. Long videos, high watch time, and loyal audiences. Some AI-based English podcast channels are only a few months old, yet they receive millions of views every month. They don't show a human face. They don't record real voices. They upload consistently, and YouTube rewards them. This is not luck. This is demand meeting automation. Let's talk money. YouTube pays creators based on views. On average, channels earn between $3 and $8 per 1,000 views. So if a channel gets 4 million views in 1 month, that can be $12,000 to $30,000 only from ads. And that doesn't include sponsorships or courses. Before AI, creating podcasts was expensive. You needed microphones, studios, editors, and speakers. Now, AI writes the conversation, creates realistic voices, and even generates the podcast image. What once cost hundreds of dollars per episode now costs only a few dollars. Here is how one video is created. First, AI writes a friendly English conversation. Second, AI converts that text into natural-sounding voices. Third, you add one image and subtitles. Finally, you upload to YouTube. That's it. You don't need perfect English. You don't need confidence. You don't need experience. Your only job is consistency. 3 to 5 uploads per week is enough to grow steadily. The cost per video is extremely low, often under $3. And once videos are uploaded, they continue earning for months or years. This is not fast money. This is a digital asset. If you are patient and consistent for 90 days, this business can change your income completely. And this is only the first AI business. The next one doesn't even require YouTube, and people are making money in weeks, not months. Now, for our second idea. What if you could be an influencer without being real? AI influencers are selling products on TikTok and earning thousands of dollars every month. And brands don't care if the person is real. They care about sales. UGC means user-generated content. It looks casual, honest, and real. AI now creates realistic people that talk, smile, and promote products just like humans. TikTok users cannot tell the difference. Why does this work? Because people trust short videos more than ads, and TikTok pushes content that feels authentic. Even brand new accounts can go viral. Money comes in two ways. First, affiliate commissions from TikTok Shop. Second, dropshipping products from Shopify. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. AI creates the influencer face. AI animates the video. You add captions and upload. You can post multiple videos per day without showing your face. The real power comes from testing different products, different niches, different influencers. One viral video can change everything. This business rewards speed and consistency. If you can upload daily and let the algorithm work, IUGC can easily become a 5-figure monthly income. Third on our list, AI-powered niche books. People believe writing books takes years. I proved them wrong. This business is about creating small, focused books for very specific audiences. Amazon doesn't reward famous authors, it rewards relevance. Instead of writing for everyone, you write for someone. Small niches, clear problems, passionate readers. Some niche books sell hundreds of copies per day. Even a few dollars profit per book adds up fast. AI helps with research, outlines, drafts, and covers. You control quality and direction. Amazon prints, ships, and pays you. You focus only on publishing more assets. Books are long-term income. One good book can pay you for years. Think about it, a digital library of assets working for you 24/7. Next up, I print on demand. What if AI could design products that sell while you sleep? Print on demand means selling custom-designed products without holding any inventory. Here's the magic: AI finds trends and creates designs for very specific audiences. Imagine t-shirts for corgi lovers or mugs for retired nurses. The possibilities are endless. So you have zero upfront cost, zero risk. Each sale creates profit automatically, sent directly to you. Your main job is to keep uploading new designs. The more designs you have, the higher your chances of making consistent sales. This is a numbers game. Consistency wins this business, turning your creative ideas into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about viral. Which one would you choose? Videos. Some of these simple videos earn more than a monthly salary in a single day. The concept is genius. AI creates impossible, amazing designs that people can't ignore. Think of futuristic houses, fantasy cars, or dream vacation spots. Then, you simply ask a question like, which one would you choose? This simple question forces engagement, floods your video with comments, and signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable. And platforms pay for that attention. AI handles the stunning visuals and animation. All you do is come up with the prompt and post. Daily posting is key to increasing your chances of going viral. A simple format combined with consistency can lead to massive reach and income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas.